Today, we're diving into HiPDF, a well-known online tool designed to simplify working with PDF files. Right from the start, the interface feels clean and straightforward. The homepage provides quick access to various features, like converting, editing, compressing, merging, and even e-signing PDFs. It's convenient because everything is laid out neatly, making navigation a breeze even for first-time users. The conversion tools are one of the main highlights of HiPDF. It supports converting PDFs to various formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even image files. The process is fast and straightforward, though the free version does have some limitations. Files larger than a certain size may require a paid subscription. The editing tool is also effective but somewhat basic. It allows you to add text, images, and annotations, but it doesn't offer advanced formatting options that other premium editors provide. Another aspect worth noting is the compression feature. It does a decent job of reducing file sizes without sacrificing too much quality, making it helpful for those dealing with large documents. Also, the merging tool works smoothly, allowing you to combine multiple files into one with just a few clicks. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Security-wise, HiPDF claims to prioritize user privacy, deleting uploaded files from its servers after processing. However, this is something you may want to double-check if you're handling sensitive information. The site does offer a free version, but many of the most useful features are locked behind a subscription. You may find yourself needing to upgrade if you regularly work with PDFs and require more than just basic tools. While the free version is quite handy, the limitations can be frustrating if you need to process larger files or batch convert multiple files at once. Overall, HiPDF is a solid tool if you need quick and simple PDF processing. It's particularly useful for occasional users who don't need advanced features. But if you require more in-depth editing and conversion tools, you might want to compare it against other services. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and guides on online tools.